Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be solving a beam element and applying the load as bending load. So let's see our case. A beam of length 1 meter and cross section is 0.1 and 0.1. The picture you can see it here, and the material is steel I have taken. Young's modulus is 210 gigapascal and Poisson ratio is 0.3. Now we are going to do linear static analysis. So as per the calculation, you can see the bending stress will get 6 into 10 power 6 Newton per meter square. This is the bending stress we are going to get it. So this is the theoretical calculation. In this case, we will validate the result with the theoretical results. So this is the deformation and this one the bending stress. You can see 6 into 10 power 6 we are getting. We'll check how we are getting now. Okay. Now go to the code as Salome meca. I'm opening Salome meca. So Salome meca is the free and open source FEA software, which include Salome for pre-processing and post-processing. For post-processing, it has the module called Paravis. This is a wonderful tool for do the post-processing for Codaster. And Codaster is a wonderful and capable software for solving FEA problems. Now just go to geometry. Now in our case, we'll be modeling actual 3D cases 0.1 and 0.1 3D model. We are simplifying our 3D model into 1D case and we are going to solve it. Okay, so it will reduce time and equipment cost. So now I'm going to model this line of 1 meter length. So go for new entity, basic points 0 0, apply, and x length is 1, apply and close. Now I have created 2 points. You can see there is 1 point here and 1 more point here. Now I just going to join this point within line. So this is the first point and this one is the second point. See, apply and close. Now I have created the line. You can see here I have created the line. Now I just want to create the groups for applying the boundary conditions. Here we don't have phase and volumes, just leave this one. Line, select all, we have only one line. This is the beam, apply it. For this we are going to apply a cross section in that solver. Now one end of the beam is fixed. This point I'm going to fix, apply it, and this point I'm going to apply a load, apply and close. Now you can see, so in line we have beam, fix and load. Now we can save this file. Go to file, save as, pictures, Codaster, case 9, I'm saving it. Now go to mesh. So in this mesh, just select this line 1, mesh, create mesh. Here we can choose wire discretization. We can choose number of segments. I'm just giving 16 number of segments, apply and close. Right click, compute. Now you can see number of node is 17, number of edges are 16. This is the mesh information we have. Close it. Now you can see the groups are also imported into the mesh. Now we can export this mesh for solving. Right click, export, export the MED and save it. Now we have created the mesh. Now we want to generate command file for solving in Codaster. Now go to Moon's efficient software. Right click here, open with other application and select. So this is, you keep it same as it is. Now go to analysis type. In this case, this is not the 3D model. Now we are using beam element. So use this beam. Go to material. So specify carbon steel. Units are in SI unit. So this is, you make it 7860. Actually density is not required for simple beam problem. These two properties is enough to solve. So now assign to beam. We can specify it all also, but I'm giving beam because I have created a group name called beam. So we can check it here. So the BEAM. Okay. Now just add it. Now go to element type. This is a beam. Our cross section is rectangular cross section, and assign to beam. Here there is no thickness. This rectangular cross section is not the hollow section to specify the thickness, just a solid section. For that only width and height we need to specify it. Width is 0.1, height is 0.1. Just add it. Now go to boundary condition. Here there is no this thing, only node groups. Just select this node group. I'm going to fix it all. Fixed boundary condition name. The group name is fix. I need to fix all the direction. 0, 0, 0 and 0 and 0 and 0. For beam element, every node having 6 degree of freedom, 3 translation degree of freedom and 3 rotational degree of freedom. So we need to arrest all the degree of freedom. If you leave any one, it will show the error of degree of freedom error. Okay, so just fix it all. Now we just want to apply load of node, force on the node. I'm naming as load. The boundary condition group name also load, and I just want to apply a load in y direction in negative axis, minus 1000 Newton. So minus 1000 I have specified it. Then OK. So I have applied force also. Now just go to output, add all, save it. Now save it in the decide folder. This is our folder, static.comm. Save it. Now exit it. Now we have generated the command file for solving in CodeAster. Now we can solve by using run ASTK. Go to tools, plugins, CodeAster, run ASTK. So now choose the folder. Now we need to specify the files. This is the mesh, mail is the mesh file, message, receive, error. The final one is RMD. Now just keep one. Just go to the folder, keep aside to avoid the mistaken typing. So this is a static.com, static.comm. Mail is a mesh_1.med, message.mess, resu.resu, error.err, result1.rmad. Anything we can give. This is our interest only. I'm just saving this file into ASTK. Any name we can give. So I just saved it. So then we can run it. 2048. I'm using 2 GB to solve this case. I'm specifying the 15 minutes. It doesn't take 15 minutes. Just less than 1 minute it will solve and it will finish, because it's just having 16 nodes. Now run the case. Here we can see how it is getting running. So case is done. You can see here the results file are saved here, and you can check the message file if any error comes. You can see his job is okay. That means that there is no error. Now we can go for para view to view the results. Go to Salome FEA, paraviz, open, RMD file, then open it, apply it. Here you can set it this one because we are drawn in XY direction, XY plane. Now go to displacement in Y deformation. So this is the Y deformation. Maximum deformation is 1.9 e power minus 4. This is the maximum deformation here. In negative, that means that is why it's showing minus. Now we can set the color by using here. Change this into rainbow, apply, close. Here you just make into 12. To view nicely, you can change this color into black also. So this is the way we can see it. Now we can go for stresses. Here there is a bending stress. The remaining stresses will go 0. You can check this axial stresses are 0. These values also 0. Now you just go here. This is the bending stress. You can check the maximum bending stress comes here, which value is 6 into 10 power 6. So this make into 12. Change this color into blue to red, apply, close. Any color we can set. I'm just setting this standardly blue to red. So now we have checked with the analytical result of 6 into 10 power 6. Now we can go for deformation. This is the dy. To view the deformation, generate vectors, apply it. Now change this into dpl vectors. Change this color into blue to red. Close. Make this into 12. Now go to RAF vector, apply it. To give some scale, make it 50. So this is the way it will get deformed. So to animate it, just click here, create animation. Number of frames we make it 20, then give OK. Now here, just make it loop and animate it. Now this is the way it will get deformed. So we are applying a force in Y direction. Now this is getting deforming here. So maximum displacement is coming here in this end, free end, and maximum bending stress is coming on the fixed end. So in this tutorial we have learned how to solve a beam problem using a beam element with code aster. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.